Hello again, sensational second graders, and welcome to our phonics, page 142, phonics day 4 for Thursday, March 26th. Let me go ahead and have you get your phonics books out as well as your handbook for reading. And in your handbook for reading today, we'll be looking at page 115 to go over chart 10 and page 146. I'd like you to review chart 13. Let's go ahead and get out your phonics packet, open it up to page 142. Go ahead and do that now. All right, boys and girls, here you go. Page 142 looks just like this. And at the top it says add to make words. We're going to make sure that if it has a silent E, we drop the E to add the ER suffix. So remember, I'd like you to look at chart 10 on page 115 of your handbook for reading and chart 13, page 146. Go ahead and take a look then. We're going to turn the word believe into believer by dropping the silent E and adding the ER. I'm going to let you go ahead and do the other words here on your own. And just like we've been doing, if you need help, you can stop the video, try it on your own and come back and then check it, or you can do it on your own and then come back to check your work. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says to circle the special sounds. Boys and girls, when we circle our special sounds, we need to make sure that we pay attention to what the special sounds are. So for the first word, the word is governor, then governor. So we're going to circle the O, and we're going to circle the ER as well as the NOR. Okay, go ahead and circle those now. And your paper should look just like that. So you will circle the special sounds in section 2. And then let's look at section 3. We have to write the correct word. So let's look at those words. We have the word dryer, freezer, dresser, and toaster. So you'll go ahead and fill in those words. And then let's go ahead and do calculator, anchor, elevator, colors. Match the words to the picture. Number 4, we have the and dollar, and we're going to draw a picture of each thing. Boys and girls, draw me a pretty picture in these squares. One for collar, one for binoculars, one for dollar, and one picture for caterpillar. You can stop the video now if you're ready and get started on the paper. If you'd like my help, stay tuned and we'll go over it right now. All right, so for number 1, our job was to add the sound. So believer was done for us. Let's go ahead and look at the word ride. Sorry, friends, we're having a little bit of technical difficulties. Ride becomes rider when we drop the silent E to add the suffix ER. And then what about range? How do we make range into ranger? Joshua. Very good. Drop the E to add ER. Ranger. What about write? How do I make write into the word writer? Emma. Write will become writer if we drop the E to add the ER. Excellent job. And how do I make teach into teacher? Sierra. Yes, we'll just add the ER. So, teacher. Bake to baker, drop the E, add the ER. BAKER, baker. How do I make farm into farmer? Quincy. That's right. Farm becomes farmer when we add the ER. What about strange to stranger, Reagan? What do I do there? Drop the final E, the silent E, and add ER. Stranger. Own becomes owner when we do what, Giovanni? What do we do? That's right. We're going to add the ER. So own will become owner. And finally, Valentina, can you tell me how I make rule into ruler? That's right. Drop the silent E and add the ER. So rule will become ruler. Good job, second graders. Go ahead and move to the next section. We're going to circle those special sounds. Now remember the special sounds, you've got to get each special sound in the words. So for the word visitor, Sean, what's my special sound or sounds? How many special sounds do you hear? Visitor, visitor. Just one, the O-R. Good. How about doctor? Sonia, how many special sounds in the word doctor? Just one. Good job. It's also the doctor. What about in the word senator? Senator, what do you hear for special sounds? Lola. Two special sounds. We have the senator. And then we have author. Author. Special sounds in the word author, please. Max. Aw in faucet. And author. What about supervisor? It's a long word. How many special sounds do you hear, Adeline? Two special sounds. What special sounds are they? The and the right? Supervisor. Now we're going to write the correct word. I have this first picture here. What is this a picture of? That's right, second graders. It's a picture of a dresser. So you'll write the word dresser on the line. What's this next picture? Toaster. Excellent work. Then I have a picture of this here. Boys and girls, to you, this thing might look like it's a microwave oven, but it's actually a freezer. When I was a kid, most refrigerators had a freezer on top. Now some of them have the French doors and the freezer on the bottom. So this may look a little familiar to some of you, but it's a freezer. Go ahead and write in that word, freezer. And finally, what is that a picture of right there? It's a dryer. Excellent work. It has the laundry basket sitting next to it. Okay, last section of our paper before we get to drawing, and we need to match the words to the pictures. What's this first picture going to be right here, Sonia? That's right, colors. Go ahead and write in the word colors. And then we have the doors and the buttons you push when you want to go up and down. It's an elevator. Good job. Giovanni, can you tell me, what is this a picture of right here? It's an anchor. Good job. And finally, second grade, what is this last picture? That's right, it's a calculator. And you will now please draw me a picture of each word in the squares. I'm going to read you the words. You're going to draw the pictures. Here we go. The first word is collar. Boys and girls, it can be a collar on a shirt. It could be a dog collar. Whatever kind of collar you want to write for me, draw me a picture of that collar. Then we have binoculars. Do you know what binoculars are? They're let's see, normally they're black. Sometimes they're camouflaged. They kind of look like this. Okay, and then you can look through them to see things that are far away, right? Okay, so those would be my binoculars. You can draw yours however you want, but hopefully this will help you see what they kind of look like. I know, not the best picture, but we do the best we can, right? Okay, then a dollar. Well, draw me a dollar. You know what a dollar looks like. And what about a caterpillar? Everybody go ahead, do your best. Have a great day, and thank you for having Phonics, page 142 with me. Bye.